All right, guys, listen up. Here's how we're gonna regroup. Our next stop is Wall Street, all right? Usually, they don't take too kindly to people descending on Wall Street and just working out. So we're gonna do this really stealth. That's how you're gonna do it. We're gonna run up there as a group, stay tight. As soon as you get close, start dispersing out. Once you get to those big steps, it's a huge staircase right at the top, right in front of the stock exchange. You're going to do taps. As soon as you hit the stairs, like this, bam, 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 all the way to the end. When you get to the end, go up, come down. Try to make as many loops as you can to the end. When you're done, walk away like nothing ever happened. All right? We may get in trouble, we may not, but I'm gonna be chill and laying back and not instructing, all right? You guys think you can do that? Yeah. All right, okay, let's do this. Get your hands in, let's reset this thing. Let's go on 3. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Wait! I found something. So look, we're on the run, we're on our way to Wall Street. There's scaffolding here and you cannot pass that up once you see it. So the objects in the city become the workout, just off the cuff. Ready? Yeah. We're gonna do pull-ups. Find a spot, get set up. We've got 20 seconds once everyone's in place. Find a spot, free hanging or duck underneath. On your marks, get set, let's go. 20 seconds. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I'm really not timing you. I don't have a timer on here. Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh my God, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, you're done. Take a break. Oh my God, it was worth it. It was worth it. Let's go, nice job. Nice job. All right. Let's go, we're going on to Wall Street. Nice and quiet, we're going to Wall Street. Hold on to them, let's go. Bring it in. Look, it's really high traffic right now on Wall Street. So we have to be real stealth. I'm gonna hang back. You guys are gonna do this by yourselves, all right? So we're gonna go to the steps, toe taps across, and get to the end, up, down, serpentine up and down. Try to get at least 3 turns. You guys think you can do it? You gotta be quiet. It is a fitness flash mob. Okay. Smile because tourists will be taking your picture. All right, you guys ready? Hands in. Nice and quiet. Okay. On 3, flash mob. Flash mob. 3, 2, 1, flash mob. All right, go. This is how you do it. Just descend, make it happen, and you're out. Line up, 3 of you right here. Line up, face that way. Broad jumps, down Broad Street, baby. This is how it goes. Hold on, boys first. Ready, set, let's go. Next 3, get up here, come up a little bit. Come on, guys, ready, let's go. Don't start until I say go. Just 3, hold on. Ready, go.
Are we okay with 4?
Yes. Ready, set, go. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 2, 1, and done. Broad jumps on Broad Street. Let's go, we're going to the next location, let's go. All right, listen up guys, this is close to the end of the workout, second to last thing you're doing today. Four people at a time are gonna line up here. You're sprinting all out as fast as you can to that garbage can. Going to recovery jog on the outsides. Come back, join the rest of the crew, which is gonna be doing core and chest right here. Bam, down, down. All right, get those elbows around, those knees right to the elbows. All right. So I'm gonna load you up here anaerobically and then kill you here. Probably anaerobically too, but maybe aerobically. All right, so this is a Starling. Let's get my first 4 people. Get in here, the rest of you guys. Are you ready? Are we freaking ready? Let's do this! Let's go. Get down there, get ready for your push-ups. Watch the dogs. On your marks, get set, go! All right, next 4, up to you, come on. The rest of you guys, come on in. Line up, on your marks, come on the outside. Get set, go! Recovery jog on the outside on the way back. Next 4, last 4, let's go. Stay on the outsides. On your marks. You guys ready for this? Get set, go! Yes, good, deep push-up guys. 30 seconds left. Get in your push-up position and rock it. The longer you hold that elbow to the outside, the more you're gonna feel it in your core, so do it. Good guys, join your crew, get back in. All right, we're doing this again. First 4, let's go. On your marks, get set, go! This is coming to the end. Fight through it, guys. Next 4, let's go. Fight through this. On your marks, get set. Get to the outside, outside, outside. Get set, go! Run back on the outsides, guys. Come on, dig in, let's go, keep going. You can do anything for 10 seconds, anything. 5, 3, 2, take a break, recover. We're moving on to our next mission. We have one more mission of this workout today, and it's gonna be right down here. All right, guys, this is what's going on next. Transition to get from here to the next spot. You guys are gonna line up on this ledge here. You're gonna be doing a lot of different versions of push-ups. I'm gonna run you through, I'll change you every 10 seconds, I'll tell you exactly what to do. You're gonna start off with regular push-ups, all right? The last person in line is going to sprint to the top of the line. Then the next to last sprints, yeah? Until we get to those bushes. So it behooves you to go fast, and it's over faster, yeah? All right, let's get ready. Start at the bushes here. Get in line. Line up, spread out. Scooch down a little bit. You need room for push-ups, remember. All right, regular push-ups. Are we ready? Dana, you are first. Get set. Start push-ups. Right to the end of the line. Right to next to Chris. And next, go. All right, now you're gonna push up, tap your right shoulder. Push up, tap your left shoulder. Next, go. And go. And go. Mountain climbers. Drive those knees up. Next, go. As soon as we get to the bushes, we're done. Let's go sprint, go. Back to regular push-ups. And go. Come on, guys, big energy. Lots of energy in your face. Let's go, next. We're almost there. Next, go. And next, go. Tap your knees. Tap your right knee, tap your left knee. Drive that knee up and high. Let's go. Dana, let's go. 10 seconds. Go, 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 go. Dana. 3, 2, 1. You're done. Awesome job. Let's recovery jog halfway up the block and I'll explain what's next. Here we go. No rest for the weary. what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna get to the top of the steps, and I have a surprise for you at the top. So I want you to get a partner. This is how we're getting there. Get a partner. This is a transition of how you're gonna move. Partner A is going to start in place. I choose an exercise. I'm doing jump squats. Partner B, you're heading down to a predetermined location. Choose where it is. Garbage can, whatever, bench. When you get there, you're doing that move that they were doing. It's like a leapfrog, okay? Then as soon as you see them at their spot, stopped, you run and catch them. Do a new move. Lunge, squat, push up, anything you want. Anything we've done yet today. Lunge jumps, then they get there, and then you go. And then they get there, and then you go. Does that make sense? Oh, you guys are good. All right. Are we ready, guys? Let's make this happen and make it look good. Partner A, you're running out to wherever you pre-decided to go. Far, close, wherever. Ready? Go.
I'm just going to where you go. What are you doing?
You run out. You'll see her. You can look back. Not too far, guys. Not too far. Now you do that move. Nice, guys. Good, next spot. All right, guys, this next drill, I have you all lined up and ready to go. One team here, one team here. This team is short, one person. One of you is going twice. What's gonna happen is you're in an inverted box jump, which I think I invented. Looks like this. I broke the fourth wall. Bam, absorb with your core and your quads. Pop back up. Absorb, pop. Land soft and quiet. You're gonna keep doing that one at a time. You sprint to the other side, touch the wall, come back. Next girl, boom, next guy, whatever. Other side back until everyone on the team is done. One of you has to go twice. Ready? It is a race. 2 teams. Let's go. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 5. Okay. What teams? What? 1 time straight across and back. Everyone goes once. You're first. You're first. Okay? Watch that lady. Okay. I can't scream and yell because it's a restaurant and everything, so you just got to make it look fucking awesome. Guys, hop over the bench, sprint to the other side, touch it, and come back. Okay? Okay. We can do this. Yes.
We just keep doing it.
Yes, everybody keeps doing it until your whole team is done. Sorry, it's been a long day. On your marks. You're not starting, I switched it. Get set, stay here. Go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. As big as you can. Yeah. Land soft and quiet. Soft and quiet. Come on, runners. Soft and quiet. Tell the next person to go as soon as they're ready. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good. This is for all the money. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good. This is for all the money. This is the last drill you're doing today. Woo, yeah. Tell the next person to go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give it up. Do not give up. You guys have at least 2 people left on your teams. Work your freaking butts off. If your arms are giving out, if your legs are giving out, just hold the position, either up or down. All right? Hold that position. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So what I did was I gave them an alternative if they can't continue to still hold it, so they're still working and they don't have to stop. Come on, guys. It's almost over. Fight through it. Fight to the end. Fight through it. You can start stepping up 1 foot at a time if you need to. Last person on this team is up. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Yes, Dana. Natalie, take it home, baby. Take it home. 10. Guys, pop it out for the last 10 seconds. You can do anything for 10 seconds. Take it home, baby. Take it home. 10. Guys, pop it out for the last 10 seconds. You can do anything for 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. High five your freaking teammates. High five them. Give them a high five, your teammates. Tell them they did an awesome job.